useful to make a little video just about the things that you'll need when you're practicing. So the first thing is a notebook. A really useful tool because you can write down your thoughts, your comments, your ideas, anything that's bothering you about your practicing. Obviously your lesson notes are going to go down there too. You can put a routine in there so that if you're struggling with that sort of thing, you can write down a specific routine, and that can be discussed at length with your teacher about how you do that. The second thing is a mirror. Really important, I talk about that a lot, and a mirror will give you the ability to check whether you're playing with a straight bow, to check your posture, whether you're relaxed, and it's just a fantastic tool. It also is quite useful if you're trying to memorise something but you don't want to stare at your hands and you just want to look elsewhere, so it's quite a useful tool for that, and it can free up the neck and the shoulders as well. So the third thing I recommend is a metronome, and that will allow you to keep within a pulse, give you some discipline on that front, so that if you're playing your scales, your pieces, whatever you're doing, it just gives you a sense of structure, and that can be quite a useful thing when you're practicing. It's a metronome is in any case vital for lots of things that you do with your pieces. So that, I hope, gives you a little sense of what you'll need to constructively do your practice.